औरतों और हॉरर का नाता जो है वो फिक्शनल नहीं है।
हम ही तो वो चुड़ैले हैं।
उल्टा है यार, पागल है क्या? उल्टा बोल रही हूँ मैं।
सारे राक्षस हैं बाहर। When I first read the script, I could read only 2 episodes in the night, and then I realized that I'm sorry.
भाई नहीं होगा।
नहीं होगा। एक तो मेरी भी बहुत फटती है।
अच्छा।
I shouldn't say this, but I really enjoyed that journey because I got to do action. गोली चलाओ, पुलिस हूँ तो भागो दौड़ो, चेज है, सब है। और ऊपर से now I don't want to give you that.
अरे हम बोल नहीं पाएंगे।
No, I think
क्या बता सकती हैं आप हमें
अपने बारे में।
मुंबई में है अंधेरी वेस्ट।
अच्छा।
इसीलिए मुंबई में है अंधेरा।
अच्छा।
That once you enter Andheri West, you just go round and round and you never come out of it.
A horror of not being heard until you raise your voice.
When you said अंधेरी गली में, अगर आप जा रहे हो, I have feared of getting.
Andhera drops on Prime Video on the 14th of August, and as you know me on Just to Film Me, I'm a big फट्टू, right? लेकिन अभी मुझे ये शो देखना पड़ेगा because यहाँ पर कुछ कमाल के actors हैं. Okay, women I've absolutely loved. In the recent past, especially, your work has really caught me. Not by surprise, but just like I'd watch anything with you in it right now. So congratulations,
Thank you. That's really,
Priya,
really
Surveen,
kind. Thank you.
and of course, thank you so much, Raghav, for joining us. You were in a good place because wow, what a cast you pulled together.
Yes, we were very lucky, and we are very lucky to have them. Such good actors, and they're both impeccable at their craft. And the younger lot also, Prajakta and Karanveer, they're amazing. So I think we've got
You
a
just
stellar
made us
cast.
sound so old.
I'll rephrase
The
that.
younger lot.
I just feel like what he meant.
I just felt more
Senior.
mature and
Experience?
Experience-wise,
You have
experience. Yes,
you
yes.
ruined it for yourself. No, truly, because I think there is a एक audience जो तैयार होती है इन shows के लिए या इन फिल्मों के लिए, क्योंकि ये उनका genre है. लेकिन अगर बाहर वालों को अंदर बुलाना है तो फिर आपको obviously you have to give them more reasons, right? And I think the trailer does that job. So congratulations, it's very intriguing. Also because I'm very excited. Usually ऐसे shows में ना आपको कहीं और ले जाते हैं लोग. कहते हैं गांव है या फिर interiors of a state of India. They even change the name of the place. But here you are, you've committed and you're saying this is Mumbai. And I feel that that's so interesting because suddenly it's real. It just got real. Like Mumbai became Gotham. So I'm going to start off, of course, by asking you, Priya. There is मतलब ये शो का जो भार है मुझे लगता है कि I love it when the ladies are doing the lifting. And it truly looks like you're doing some of the heavy lifting. So talk to us.
I do that in the gym too.
Yeah. How much do you lift?
So far I have reached like 30 lbs, like that becomes 60 for my squats. Yeah.
Wow.
Good job.
And
Very
you're doing
good,
the heavy lifting on this show as well, because here you are. Can I just say, female cop, massive energy.
है
Love
ना?
it.
I think I
She's
really wanted to
fabulous.
do that. I manifested that.
Fabulous.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you so much. I think that the heavy lifting has been done by the script and the makers. I wouldn't
Wonderful.
say that any of the character is doing that, but yes, I think Kalpana is probably the voice, or maybe through her you explore the story. You go along with her, and you because she's a cop, so it's also an investigative drama. So while she is investigating and she is finding it out, you also as an audience find out things. So that way, yes. When I first read this, and I was telling Raghav sir earlier also that when I first read the script, I could read only 2 episodes in the day. In the night. And then I realized that I'm sorry.
भाई नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा. मुझसे I have to switch this to a daytime
Day mode.
because एक तो मेरी भी बहुत फटती है.
अच्छा.
You reminded me of her only because we just got talking at some point very recently, a couple of days ago,
Correct.
and gave such an insight of heard the
stories. So, and very opposite to that, when you have to play a character who is very fierce,
बहुत निडर है,
strong.
वैसे acting
निडर
कर रही
विडर
है।
कुछ नहीं, I
हाँ।
think मुझे लगता है डर हर एक के अंदर है, हर चीज का है,
क्या
किसी ना किसी चीज का है।
बिल्कुल।
What circumstances में वो बाहर आता है, that's what the I think that's what the show is also about, that we all have fears, no, within us, in the deep pockets, छोटा छोटा।
Deep what? बहुत shallow चल रहे मेरे fears भाई। मैं तो बिल्कुल डरपोक यार।
So not exploring my own fears, but I think exploring what that character must have been through in her journey was really challenging, and I shouldn't say this, but I really enjoyed that journey because I got to do action, गोली चलाओ, पुलिस हूँ तो भागो दौड़ो, चेज है, सब है।
I love
और ऊपर से now I don't want to give you that.
अरे हम बोल नहीं
I'm not
पाएंगे।
saying that. No, I think
बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं।
this is your cue to go and watch the show.
Fair enough. Surveen, what a pleasure it is to meet you right after the success of your previous show. Let me just say you were fabulous in that show. Okay, that's number one. And number two, people are having fun with you and your face. Let me tell you that. मतलब सुरवीन चावला को इस शो में हम कैसे दिखना है ना? तुम्हें लग रहा है कि
they're in for a big surprise.
है ना?
This is completely different.
यार ट्रेलर में आखिरी
streaming
शॉट में
queen.
वो तुम ही हो ना यार?
नहीं.
ए
I
भाई
mean, you can see it how you want to
हाँ,
see it. I
हाँ,
don't know.
हाँ, तो क्या बता सकती हैं आप हमें?
अपने बारे में।
मुंबई में है अंधेरी वेस्ट,
अच्छा
इसीलिए मुंबई में है अंधेरा.
अच्छा ठीक है, इससे ज्यादा नहीं बोल रहे।
This was nice.
I know. I remember that.
Amazing.
Because you know, in a mystery show like
नहीं
this,
बोल
where
सकते
there
ना।
are so many twists and turns,
कुछ नहीं
and
बोलते।
I really like
it's
what
very difficult
Prajakta
to.
has
Yeah,
said.
it was so cool.
She said that once you enter Andheri West, you just go round and round and round, you never come out of it.
But it's different from what I've done previously in
Of
the
course, of
others,
course.
and I think that's what's very, very exciting for me, a genre that I've also not kind of touched upon. So I think that's my kick.
It's your kick, really.
That's my
And
kick.
it's a fun time. You're getting parts that are coming your way, which are giving you a lot to do.
No, but I have to give that. I have to give that to the directors who can envision that. You know, for me, it's not easy, especially in times where, and I can say so that typecasting or stereotyping, we're still not too much away from that yet. We're still not there yet. So I think the credit goes to any director who can see you in a different light without having seen you in that light before. You know, so I have to give Raghav, Gaurav, Karan, the entire team at Excel, Farhan, Ritesh, everybody, the credit, because that it takes a lot of faith that they vest in you as an artist, as an actor, and then kind of say, you know what, this is what we've got for you. So I think that for me is the source and the start of, hey, you know what, they gave me that, they vested that faith in me, and
Let me give back.
let me
give
give back. And then I think that responsibility sort of gets the best out of some. It works for me, for sure.
For sure.
I like that. I enjoy that.
Amazing.
I just hope
I'm so happy to be speaking to all of you.
And can I add to what she was saying? You know, horror is it's a very challenging genre. Like comedy and horror are the toughest genres to pull off, and horror needs impeccable range from an actor. It's contrary to popular belief, horror is a very difficult genre for an actor to perform in, and it also gives a lot of opportunity for actors to explore things that you don't get to in a normal show, you know. And Surveen has such impeccable range. I mean, like you've seen in the other shows she's been doing, and you will see in our show that the range is impeccable. And she's getting to explore that, and I must say that it's hats off to your fearless. You have to be fearless as an actor to be able to explore different facets of your personality. So we're lucky to be working with such two good actors. You know?
Yeah, amazing. I also मेरे लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग ये बात है कि ये शो जो है एक इंटरसेक्शन है ऑफ विमेन एंड हॉरर, क्योंकि यार औरतों और हॉरर का नाता जो है वो फिक्शनल नहीं है, वो है ना, क्योंकि हॉरर तो हमारी डेली लाइफ में कभी हमारी
I
जिंदगी
didn't
जी के
see where this was going.
yeah, but it's true, right?
I was taking that question very seriously. कि क्या हो रहा है?
But I am serious about it.
Yeah.
Because
Go on.
the
हम
lift,
ही तो वो चुड़ैले हैं.
Taking it in another direction.
है यार, उल्टा बोल रही हूँ मैं.
सारे राक्षस हैं बाहर.
कि हमारा लिव्ड हॉरर जो है वो शायद किसी हॉरर से कहीं ज्यादा हो, जो कोई फिक्शनल हॉरर हो. And I wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk about that because I feel कि ये exploration कहीं ना कहीं इस शो का हिस्सा होना चाहिए because it looks like that. You're not going to reveal much, but I'm going to still ask you, what are the horrors of being a woman even today? Where you turn around and say, hey man, this wouldn't happen to a guy. I'll give you an example. अंधेरा है आपके शो के नाम की तरह और एक गली है, आपको it will always cross your mind. As a woman, it crosses our mind. So there are still these horrors. What are the horrors that you deal with?
Okay.
So at various levels, I think it's horrifying when you enter a room and you're expected to dim your own light to kind of fit. It's horrifying to not be acknowledged for the back-end responsibilities of everyday life, work, here, there, everywhere that you take, and it's just about the acknowledgement that you're deprived of. Nobody's asking for validation because you're not doing that for validation. You're doing that for just being acknowledged, just be seen. A horror of not being heard until you raise your voice. Horror of having a problem or being judged by people if you evolve. Horror of just being a part of a plot or a twist or a turn, but not being the story. I mean, I can just go on. Sorry, you just touched a...
But you know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah, I
And
know,
that's
I know.
why I feel
Yeah,
like
yeah.
shows like these, they really get me as an audience.
Yeah.
Because, and I think with Prime, they've done this so brilliantly. They've had Chori, they've had Chori 2, they've had Cough, and now they're falling in up with Andhera. मेरे लिए तो ये खुद एक यूनिवर्स बना रहे हैं औरतों के हॉरर्स की, एंड देन इट्स सेट इन लाइक अ फिक्शनल हॉरर लैंड. प्रिया, तुमसे सुनना चाहूंगी यार.
I think everything that she said, I think every woman will agree to what she's saying because how you are treated in the room, whether there are men or there are like other women or whatever, I think it's more individual than gender specific. But I'll just go back to a very real horror and a real fear that I have always had right from my childhood, and very, very, very unfortunately, I don't know, this might just go into a very different direction, but when you said अंधेरी गली में अगर आप जा रहे हो, I have feared of getting raped right from my childhood. I don't know why. I have always feared that. And because I've seen, I mean, you as a woman see a lot of news and the stories, and you are a woman, you know how people and men in the world treat this gender. And that's not okay. It's very unsettling, it's very disturbing to see other women's stories of going through something like this, which could be, it's devastating for you to even listen to those stories. And I don't know where this came from as a child, because I have been brought up as a very secured child. I was born in a very happy, secure family. I have never had any weird encounters in my life, nothing. Except like a couple of where I was in school and I was crossing the road and I could feel that one man is following me. And I was feeling that constantly for months. And you won't believe that after I got married, when I went back to my mom's house one day, I saw the same man on the same signal standing next to me, looked exactly with that same
Stare.
I don't know, it's not even that simple stare, it's like, it's something very, ew, I can't even explain that to you. He just looked at me and I could see in his eyes that, oh, you are the same girl. And I could still feel that horror, fear, pain, everything in me in that moment when I knew that my house is right here in front of me. I could just go run and cross the road, run and go home. I think that fear, when however strong you are, however fearless you are, however fierce you are, it still is a part of me, and I don't like it. And the more stories I hear and the more stories I see, the more news I see, वो शायद बढ़ता ही जाता है कि पता नहीं यार हम इसके लिए थोड़ी पैदा हुए हैं. I want to do a lot of good things in life. So I think this fear I need to, either I have to overcome this fear, or the world needs to be so good that I should
The world needs to be better.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
But having said that, I'd like to take a moment to, amidst the horrifying male gender that we speak of, I'd like to take this conversation to a more positive space where I feel like in this horrifying world that it is to women, there are some men who act like diffusers to diffuse and erase the horror away. And if I may say so, in the from the facet of the industry that we are a part of, there are men like him who, I'm again going to go back to, give their women the stories, make them, take the weight and carry the weight of scripts, of stories, of narratives. And why, right? So I hate to generalize it, and I want to give that credit to the men, not for allowing it to happen to us, but to stand there and say, hey, I've got your hand, I've got your back, go. It's like, Ja Simran ji le apni zindagi kind of a thing, no? So I feel like there are men like the ones that we have on this project and so many others today, and I want to take that moment to kind of
Acknowledge. Closing words from you.
Who make you
Raaghav.
feel so safe, who make you feel so heard, who make you feel so seen.
I'm glad, because you really have to work towards that. We as a society have to work towards building a very safe space for not only women, but for every person in this. And you cannot, of course, women have been for generations. There has been this sustained, effort to subjugate them, to repress them. But we also must understand that there is repression happening at all levels of society. It is a broader problem, and we must stand up against that. And as people unite to kind of come together, and trying to get it back to the Andhera we are talking about, The Andhera is that, everybody experiences that Andhera, it's not just the Andhera that is outside, it's the Andhera that is inside. And that, it can eat you up. And that is what this show is about.
It's the darkest energy.
Yeah.
So literally and metaphorically, the Andhera can hunt you down, and it can consume you if you do not, stand up to it.
Try to find that light, maybe.
And that is what the contrast between the light and the darkness is, that it's hope on one side and despair on the other. What are we going to choose?
Yeah, absolutely. Wow, guys.
My director has.
I didn't expect
we don't really have to say anything.
At one point, I forgot we're, promoting the show. And that's
We still are promoting this show.
And that's a great thing, because what you said today was so from the heart. And I feel that I'm very grateful to have received this from both of you. So thank you so much.
you.
Thank you.
And from you as well.
I'm so sorry to share a very sad story of me, but
No.
I think that's a very
But
haunting thing.
unless you see the dark, you don't know
won't
the
see the
light.
light,
You don't
yeah.
know the light.
I wish you well, and thank you so much for giving me your time today.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
Shivani.
much.
Thank you so
See you
much.
soon.